Assalamu alaikum guys, I hope you're doing well. Today I want to share with you some life-changing words that are comprised of three main steps and that will work as a scale for you to measure your position and existence in this world and in society and to measure your maturity, wisdom as well. First one is weak people revenge. Number two, strong people forgive. Number three, intelligent people ignore. So, my advice and suggestion for you is that don't go for revenge. Because if you want to take revenge, it is like you are at first disturbing your peace of mind and you are investing your all energies in a negative way. And number two, be strong by forgiving others to save your energies and potential for your goal and future. Number three, be intelligent by ignoring those who are hurting you a lot, who are disturbing your peace of mind, who are disturbing yourself. Because if you want to take good care of yourself, then ignore people who don't like you and always get indulged in those things which are aligned with your goal, your purpose of life. So if you want to be successful, so follow this tip, that is ignoring people and to be intelligent. That will make you yourself, that will make you successful at the end and will make you able to achieve your dream. And never compromise on your dream and never waste yourself. Just start working on yourself from now onwards. I hope you've been enjoying my video. Thanks for watching me and remember, winner fears.